All right, guys, we got your Bilstein 5100s, your Fox 2.0 coilovers, and your Rancho Quicklifts. All three of these are going to be your entry level leveling system. What the benefit that you have over any of these three options versus going with your spacer leveling kit is all three of these are going to have the proper length for the additional lift that you're adding to the front of the truck. Here we got the tried and true Bilstein 5100s. This is going to be your monotube gas shock. The way you would adjust height on these is there's these grooves that are machined into the strut body, and depending on how much lift you want out of the front of your truck, you're gonna select one of these circlips. And then on these Fox 2.0s, this is going to be your 2.0 coilover. These are monotube shock, 2-inch piston, just like the Bilstein 5100s. These are going to be a threaded body style. So in order to adjust your lift height on the Fox 2.0s, you're going to want to compress the spring, and this will give you, you'll turn this collar to make any adjustments to the height that you want. So the nice thing about the Fox 2.0s is the bodies on these are threaded, so you're not limited to the preset grooves that you would have on the Bilstein 5100s. You have a little bit more more adjustment here on the Fox 2.0s. And these, which we're going to be installing on the Silverado today, these are the Quicklift leveling struts assemblies. These are not adjustable in ride height like the 5100s or the Fox 2.0s are. These are preset from Rancho to level the front of your truck, whatever it is, to the rear of the truck. Now, the benefit of these that you get that the Bilstein 5100s or the Fox 2.0s do not have is your adjustability. There's 9 different settings on these Quicklifts. Your 1 through 3 setting is going to be your most like your factory ride. Your 4 through 6 setting is going to be similar to like a RS 5000 series shock, and your 7, 8, 9 setting is going to be your firmest settings, giving you the most control out of all the settings.